In this video, you will learn what are various ways to troubleshoot your Netgear Range Extender device in case if you are unable to connect to your Firestick or face an error, or maybe a weak signals. The first thing that you can do is try rebooting your Netgear Range Extender and your router. Second, if this does not solve the problem, then try factory resetting your Netgear Range Extender. Or set up your Netgear Range Extender again. The third thing that you can do is make sure that you are using the latest firmware version on your Netgear Range Extender. If you do not know how to update firmware, watch one of our videos on it. In case if you are still facing any issue with your Netgear Range Extender device, get in touch with our Netgear Range Extender experts for instant solutions. Thanks for watching our video, and do not forget to like, share and comment on the video, so that you never miss any video from our channel. Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear Range Extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts. Thanks for watching our video, and do not forget to like, share and comment on the video, so that you never miss any video from our channel.